Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very beautiful pattern for baby blankets. For this crochet project, I am using a 4mm crochet hook and a 3-ply yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains for our project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9 and 10, and we would make total of 27 chains. Your chains must be multiples of 4 and 3 more chains. So multiples of 4 plus 3 for this pattern. Now make one more chain to start first round, and into the second chain from the hook make a single crochet like this. Now go into the next chain, make a single crochet stitch. Go into the next chain, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Then into the next chain make a single crochet stitch, a single crochet into the next chain. So in this way we would make single crochets in each of these 27 chains, which are multiple of 4 plus 3. Now single crochet stitches are completed and our first row is also completed. Now we would start our second row. For the second row, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet here. Now make chain 1 and turn up your work. Skip these first 2 single crochet stitches here and we would start working into the third one. So go into the third single crochet stitch and make a double crochet by pulling the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops like this. Wrap the yarn again, go into the next single crochet stitch, draw a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Again make a double crochet stitch into the next single crochet stitch. And now we would make a double crochet on these 3 double crochet stitches like this. Going from the back of these double crochet stitches, pull this yarn like this, and now pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops as a regular double crochet stitch, and this double crochet stitch is made on this set of 3 double crochet stitches. Now we would skip one single crochet stitch, one double crochet into the next stitch, again one double crochet into the next stitch, and one double crochet into the next stitch. We have a set of 3 double crochet stitches again, and now we would make another double crochet stitch on these stitches by pulling the yarn from the back side of these stitches like this. Then pull the yarn through 2 loops first, it's a little bit difficult to make this stitch on stand. So we would make a double crochet stitch like this and skip one single crochet stitch again, go into the next stitch, make one double crochet in it, then go into the next one, make one double crochet in it, then into the next one, here make one double crochet stitch. Set is completed of 3 double crochet stitches. Now fourth double crochet would be made on them with the same way. So make a double crochet stitch on these 3 set of double crochet stitches, and then skip one stitch and start making 3 double crochet stitches on these next 3 stitches, and then make a double crochet. Same pattern would be repeated till the end. In the end, we have 2 single crochet stitches left. Skip one, and in the last single crochet stitch, make a double crochet. Second round is also completed, second row. Now make chain 1, turn up the work. In the same double crochet stitch, make a single crochet. Then into the next double crochet stitch, make a single crochet. Then into the next one, make a single crochet. Then in the next stitch, make a single crochet. And in this way, we would make single crochets in each and every double crochet stitch, including the one which we have made on this set of 3 double crochet stitches, and we would make single crochets one in each of them till the end of this round. In the end, here is our chain 1 space. In this chain 1 space, make a single crochet stitch, and then last single crochet stitch would be made in third chain because this is also counted as a double crochet stitch. So in this third chain, make last single crochet stitch. Third row is also completed. Now we would repeat the second row, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet. Then make chain 1, turn up the work, skip 2 single crochet stitches, go into the next one, make a double crochet stitch into it, then make a double crochet into the next single crochet stitch, then into the next one, and now we would make our fourth double crochet stitch on the set of 3 double crochet stitches from behind them. In starting, it will be a little bit difficult, and I am working on a stand, so it's a little bit difficult for me to make this stitch. Now make 3 double crochet stitches like this, and again we would make the fourth double crochet stitch from the side. So make the fourth double crochet stitch, and again skip one stitch, go into the next stitch, make a double crochet stitch into it. So repeat this pattern till the end, and in the end skip one stitch into the last single crochet stitch, make a double crochet, make chain 1, turn up the work, make a single crochet in this double crochet stitch, then a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch which is made on set of 3 double crochet stitches, then a single crochet in each of these 3 sets of double crochet stitches. So this is our pattern we would repeat just first and second row, and you can make baby blankets with this pattern. I have made a few more rows with this pattern. So if you like this tutorial video and you find it helpful, give it big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.